So now making fire, I'm pulling out some barks on this rotten tree. As you can see, this is the hardest part, and I have collected for just roasting the chicken cuts. So one thing just I'm sharing you, uh, whenever you just want to make fire, especially in forest area, make sure that you must douse out it, or we can say pull out. Oh, he was hitting a pigeon. I said him, if you could hit that, we could mix. So I was telling like, if you want to make fire, especially in forest area, make sure that you must douse the fire, or we can say pull out the fire whenever, but the fire's level should be low. Make sure the smoke of the fire should be not visible, otherwise the forest department sees that, then you will be in trouble. So it was like afternoon, that's why it was not visible that much, so we could easily this is the place where we just plan to make. So I think this much is enough. Let us bring our bicycles, which are just kept far from us. Yes, we got 2 more sticks to make fire. Is it possible? Oh no.
Not from that side. That side will be better.
Now we are just taking our bicycles towards that place, and as I just brought, now we are just making. So again I'm reminding, if you want to make fire, especially in forest area, don't forget to douse out the fire.
It will take time.
Always remember, and the smoke could be bad.